Hey everyone, welcome back to Daily Downshift. I know we've had a bit of drought with the videos lately because it's been absolutely freezing in Canada, and as you can tell, it's also very cold today. We have here another package from ECS Tuning because we're throwing on a random mod on the B9 S4, and that I'm about to show you right here. So all that packaging just for this little thing, what could it be? So I've already opened it because I couldn't contain my excitement.
Ooh, red?
Yes, sir. Racing red, just like the brakes, just like the spark plugs. Everything has to match, and the interior. And here we go.
Oh, that's badass.
Look at this, eh?
Damn.
Nice billeted aluminum tunnel brace going right underneath the car, which is why it's lifted. I love that look.
Yeah, that is sick, dude.
I know, right? Doesn't weigh much either. It's gonna make it more rigid. It looks racy. And I think there's additional clearance, so there's gonna be less vibration from the exhaust.
Nice, that's perfect. Damn, look at this Canadian winter all on the side of the car. What do you have to say for yourself, dude?
I don't know, man. It's been a bad season and it hasn't even started yet.
Yeah, crazy amounts of salt on it. Exhaust is looking not too bad though. It's okay.
Yeah.
It's seen some wear here, but yeah.
Yeah.
Not too bad.
Moved a little bit there, one of those tips, because I have to realign something. I do see a lot of salt on these guys, but still holding up, which is good to see.
Oh yeah, you can see the ECS logo right there.
Oh yes.
All right, you're going under, baby.
Yep. There we go. And this right here is the piece that we're going to be changing, the old tunnel brace. This is of course OEM. It is just held by these 4 M10 triple squares. If I can find my ratchet. There it is. Hopefully you can see that. There's the focus. So the issue with this one is it's not as strong as the new one. It's a bit heavier, and not to mention there's a lip on this one right here, and it kind of hits the exhaust, which I think gives me some vibration, and I want to reduce that. So clearly a bit of clearance as well as some structure. So let's remove this and see how easily the new one bolts in.
All right, so here we have the old piece. Oris just went ahead and took it off. As you guys can see, pretty standard black. Got some good weight to it, feels solid. And then we got this bad boy, actually quite a bit less dense. You can tell that this is like more of a premium finish, aluminum.
I think that's aluminum and the other one's steel.
Yeah, that would make sense because this feels a lot less dense, but still very sturdy and solid. I still can't get over how nice this thing looks, dude. Oh my god.
It's such a shame to put it under the car and destroy it in the winter, isn't it?
Yep, 100%. But no, that's badass. Once again, got this steel basic part OEM.
Yeah, at least the mechanics get a nice view, right?
Exactly. We're lucky here. We're lucky. All right, doing the honors, passing her over.
Yes.
Here you go, bud.
Thank you. And so, as I was saying to you earlier, I can notice that the old one was actually cutting into the exhaust a little bit here, as you can tell. So hopefully that reduces the vibration. I think it should, and obviously it's going to look better. So let's just go ahead and throw that in. Alrighty, it is now tightened up. I think it's 55 Newton meters if I'm not mistaken, but I will link the product in the description. As you can see, all the heat shield, the silver pipes, the black plastic there, contrasts very nicely. It looks amazing. Too bad it's going to get ruined. The fitment is good. I did put some rubber here just to make sure it doesn't touch, but there is still a little gap. On this side where the other one was hitting, it's completely free. I can slide my finger, so hopefully no vibration there. Either way, it looks amazing. Now, all that's left to do is to start it up, go for a drive, and see if there's any difference whatsoever. However, I'm happy with how it looks, and if that's all it does, that's more than enough for me. I think this is like $100 on sale right now, so definitely good value.
This thing looks like...
Let's go.
Oh, geez.
Nice, eh?
It's so bright.
Yeah, I put the light on it.
It actually looks like it's like a ruby stone underneath there.
Yeah, it matches.
You got the silver pipe too. That's awesome.
I know, right? It's funny because it's gonna get ruined.
Yeah.
And it was this or black, and I was like, I have to get red.
Yeah, no, that's
red interior,
that honestly looks
red brakes.
It's too bad that you won't be able to see it often, but
yeah,
at least you know it's there.
Well, at least you have an Audi, so it's gonna be at the shop a lot. I mean, these mechanics are gonna get to see this beautiful thing. Yeah. It's like a girl getting her nails done all the time, kind of, you know?
Oh yeah.
Same thing. It looks great. Anyways, let's lower this car.
Here she is, dirty and everything.
Yep, and we are freezing. That's why I'm putting my gloves on. So we did our quick little test drive, and it looks like there's a little bit less vibration than before, so I'm happy about that. It looks great, even though we can't see it right now, so we're happy about that. Big shout out to ECS for the part. Definitely on the car now. The turbo video is coming soon. I'm still waiting for a final part, and then we're also going to be making an ECS exhaust compilation sound video. So I promise those are coming. We've just been busy.
Yeah, it's tough with this cold weather.
It's like
too.
-15. There was like storms for the past 3 days. So I promise you it's all coming. But anyways, if you guys enjoyed this video, give us a big like, subscribe if you like the content, and we'll see you in the next one. Take care.